Now, choosing a clear topic is a crucial step in speech writing process. If we choose a clear topic, it will ensure that our speech is relevant to our audience and we will keep our audience engaged. Now, there are certain tips with the help of which we can choose a clear topic. First point is relevance. We should choose a topic that is relevant to your audience. We should select a topic that is of interest to our audience and which meets the needs of the audience or what type of information they want to know. Next tip is be specific. We should choose a specific topic rather than a general one. A specific topic will provide your audience with more detailed information. Next tip for choosing a clear topic is passion. We should choose a topic that we are passionate about. When we are enthusiastic about our topic, we will more likely put in more efforts to research and prepare our speech, and it will be and we will be in a position to make our speech more effective and engaging. Next point is keep it timely. Consider the current events and choose a topic that is timely and relevant to your audience. Now, the fifth tip for choosing a clear topic is uniqueness. We should choose a topic that differentiates us from other speakers. For example, instead of speaking about a common topic like the importance of exercise, we might choose to speak about the benefits of using resistance bands in our exercise. By choosing a clear, relevant, and engaging topic, we will be on our way to write an effective speech. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.